welcome to Algebra 1/2, Lesson 34. So this lesson starts on page 99 of your Algebra 1/2 book. We're talking about variables and evaluation. This is a very simple lesson, so it won't take us long to get through. Okay, if you see an expression like this, x plus 4. Well, we know that 4 is always 4. That part of your expression doesn't change. But the value of this expression changes based on your variable, your x. It depends on what your x is, what the answer is going to be. If I say that x is 11, it becomes 11 plus 4, which you know is 15. But if I say that x is 2, it becomes 2 plus 4, which equals 6. So the value of your expression is based on the meaning of your variable. So we can evaluate or find the value of expressions by putting the number that the variable represents in place of the variable. Before we start practicing with that, I just want to point out, remember when you have two letters next to each other, so they're juntos, pegados, that means multiplication. So when you have two letters next to each other, it means multiplication. When you see this word evaluate, that's the word you're going to often see in your homework and your practices, that means to find the value of. So I want to evaluate or find the value of xy plus x. And they give me the values of x and y. So I have the value of my variables so I can find my answer. X is 2 and y equals 4. So I'm going to find the expression if this is the value of my variables. So I have x equals 2. So I'm going to put 2 in place of x. 2, 2. Y equals 4. So I'm going to put 4 in place of y. But I'm not going to just write a 4. I need to write times 4. With numbers, you can't just write them next to each other and it means multiplication. You have to actually put the multiplication symbol in between the numbers. So I have 2 times 4 plus 2. According to order of operations, I multiply first. 2 times 4, I know is 8, plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. So that is my answer, 10. Okay, pretty simple, right? Let's try another one. xmy minus xy. If x equals 2, m equals 5, y equals 4. So let's start plugging our numbers in place of our variables. So I have x and y. Well, I know x is 2, m is 5, I need my multiplication symbol in between each number, and y is 4. Minus x is 2, and y is 4. Now I can solve. 2 times 5 is 10, times 4 is 40. Minus 2 times 4 is 8. 40 minus 8 is 32. So 32 is your answer. Okay, one last one before you start your practice. We have mx plus 4m. If x equals 2/3 and m equals 9/11. Woo, your favorite thing, fractions. So we're going to put our fractions now into our expression. mx, well, m we know is 9/11. And x is 2/3. Plus 4 times m, which is 9/11. Okay, first things first, I need to multiply. Well, here I have 9/11 times 2/3. Is there anything I can cancel? My 3 and my 9, very good. 3 becomes 1 because their greatest common factor is 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now I multiply across. 3 times 2 is 6. 11 times 1 is 11. Plus, I have 4 times 9/11. I need to change 4 into an improper fraction by putting 4 over 1. That's how you change any number, any whole number into a fraction, is just to put it over 1. Multiply across because there's nothing to cancel. 4 times 9 is 36. 1 times 11 is 11. All right, now I can add, and woohoo! These have the same denominator, so I don't have to change anything. 6 plus 36 is 42, excellent. Over 11, because my denominator stays the same. So 42 elevenths. You can leave it there as an improper fraction. You don't need to change it into a mixed number. All right, go ahead and pause now to do your practice. Okay, you should be back from doing your practice. You just had 2, A and B. A, you should have gotten 16 because you had x, which is 2, times y, which is 4, which is 8, plus x, which is, or excuse me, y, which is 4, times x, which is 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. So you had 8 plus 8, 16. Letter B should have been 90. 90. You had MPX, which would have been 6 times 4 times 3, which would give you 6 times 4 is 24, times 3 is 72, plus MX. M is 6, X is 3, so that's 6 times 3, that's 18. So you had 72 plus 18, which is 90. Okay, hope you did well. Let me know if you have any questions. Go ahead and do your lesson now.